Hello guys, am I audible? If you hear my voice, guys, if you guys can hear my voice, comment your favorite language in the chat box. Guys, you guys are super smart, huh? Comment your favorite programming language. Okay, my bad. I should have mentioned it. So far, 60 members have joined. Let's wait for a while to join rest of the people. Java, Python, C. That's great. That's great, guys. Mention the names of languages. How many languages do you know with names? Mention it in the chat box. Let me see it. C, Java, Python, HTML, C Sharp, C, Python, two languages. Great, Vinayak. Okay, great. Okay, chalo, let's start. So, first things first, my name is Siddharth Koigura, and I'll be guiding to walk through this summer boot camp of web development for next 29 days. And I'm the full stack intern in Web Launch as well as SDC, Student Developer Community. And before getting into the web development, let me know how many of you guys know about the web development, like how far as you know. Mention it in the chat box. Let me see it. Okay, Abhinay, that's great. That's great. So, guys, as yesterday Chandrasekhar have informed you, guided through what to install about VS Code and certain extensions. Have you done it? If not, mention it in the chat box. How many have you done? Exactly, Santosh Kumar. Exactly. That's great. That's great. Done. Cool, guys. And throughout this course, I want you to be super active to get maximum out of this course. So without getting it delayed, let's get started. So first thing first, let me give an idea about the code environment that we're gonna build the websites. You have to install VS Code. I'm explaining it again, even though Chandu has explained it again yesterday. You have to install VS Code to maintain the proper code, and a Chrome browser is mandatory, or else Brave browser is recommended for you guys. And also, let me give a brief info about LinkedIn and GitHub. A programmer or any entrepreneur who guys are looking into looking forward to increase the network. These two are the best platform for it. And for the programmers, especially, GitHub is very good platform for it. You have to create and maintain the profile uh, to gain the opportunities of MNCs and or other companies for internships as well. And guys, currently, you know the importance of web development. How many of you guys know the importance of the web development? Let me see in the chat box. Guys, am I audible? Okay, guys, cool. Uh, so let me ask a brief question. What language we will be using or we can use to create a website? That's a tricky question, guys. What language we can use? HTML, okay. JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Java, Python, Merge Stack. Oh, that's great, Prakash. And people who mentioned only JavaScript or Python or Java or PHP. Okay, Rahul, already you have mentioned HTML also. So people who mention JavaScript or Java alone without HTML, can you guys explain how to create a website without HTML by using only JavaScript or Java? Can we create it? Sure. I'm waiting for your response, guys. Okay, no issues. So guys, this is the GitHub account. Everyone must should have created this one. And I will be explain the Git version control in upcoming training classes. Be prepared for it. And nothing to worry, you are on the right track. I'll be guiding you, and multiple mentors from the HTC community gonna guide you and gonna help you in this journey. So you're gonna learn it, guys. And glad to announce you are the top 90%. Instead of sitting back in the summer holidays, you are just trying to learn something and to motivate yourself something to for your future. That's really great, guys. Hats off to you guys. That's really great. So, without getting delayed, let me brief explain about VS Code. So, I would like to open a folder from this VS Code, and it is workspace, training, and HTML folder. If you're gonna create a new folder, just click on this day 01, click on it and select folder. The folder has opened. This is the folder, guys. And guys, I want you to follow. Okay. Guys, I want you to code along with me and follow along with me. Just do whatever I'm gonna do. That's it. If you have any doubts, raise the query in live chat. I'll be guiding you, and mentors are there in the live chat with you. They'll be guiding you through it. That's it. So one don't have, if anyone don't have VS Code or laptops, try to open it in CodePen in your mobiles or tablets. Try to code along with me. Just search over the internet CodePen, open it, start coding. That's it. This is the development environment for the mobile users or tablet users. you can use it. Are you following me, guys? Keep a thumbs up in the chat if you are ready with me to get into the web development. Guys, I can't wait. Be active. Sir, would you please let us know how to create a folder? Sure, Sai. Sure. Sai Medana. Sure. If you want to create a folder, just click on the new folder. Right click on it and folder name about something like I'm gonna give folder only. That's it. Your doubt is clear, right? Sai Medana. Could you reply for it, please? Yeah. And by the way, don't call me sir. You can call me Siddharth. So let's get started. I'm gonna delete this. Guys, I'm repeating again, code along with me. And have you ever heard about extensions? The word extension, not the VS Code extension or Chrome extension. I'm asking about file extension. Okay, what's the file extension for C and C++? Hello, Abhinay. Can you hear me? Have you ever heard about extensions, file extensions? That's great, miscellaneous. .c, .cpp. Okay, how to open a new file? Abhinay, click on this top left button, File, and click on Open Folder. Select your folder. For example, select your drive, workspace, uh, training, HTML, day one. If you want to create a new folder, just create it wherever you want. That's it. Select folder, and then the folder gonna be open. .html, .java. That's great, Santosh. But I haven't asked that question. Yashwant, .ph for what? For what file we are gonna use? Okay, just same as .c and .cpp and .java. For HTML extensions, we're gonna use .html, index.html. Index is the file name. Are you guys can hear me? Or should I speak loud? Just it is a matter of feedback, guys. It is your class. It is our class. Just respond, be active, be interactive. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you. So .html is our file extension and there is a HTML boilerplate. So what do you mean by boilerplate? Do you have any idea about boilerplate? Have you ever heard about this? Let me type it. Boilerplate. Structure of HTML. That's great. That's great. Sample code is kind of dirt only. For example, it is a, let us consider this is a C program. I hope you guys know about the C program. For C program, boilerplate will be like this. Hashtag include studio dot h uh, int main. That's it. This is the C program's boilerplate. What we gonna do in our program, we will be writing here only. Most of the code will be the common code will be this only. Hence, it is considered as boilerplate. So for HTML also, there is a boilerplate. What is it? Let me check. Let us check. HTML boilerplate. This is the boilerplate, guys. It consists of main HTML tag, head tag, and inside the head tag there are meta tags, link tags, title tags, and body tag. That's it. VS Code provides us simple. Santosh Kumar, yes, doc type HTML. That's the exactly boilerplate. Instead of writing this entire boilerplate every time, there is a shortcut command in the VS Code. We just need to type HTML and click on HTML file. That's it. Our boilerplate is ready. Yes, yesterday Chandrasekhar have mentioned about the extensions. You guys have to install those. But without extensions also, you guys can code for now. I will share the extensions link that you have to download after the meet. Okay, na? Rahmat Mohammed. So this is our boilerplate. How many members are with me till now? Reply with thumbs up, guys. Exclamatory mark will produce the boilerplate for HTML. Okay, I haven't tried it, but let me try it. Oh, great. It is working. Great, Sharon. Great. Guys, I hope everyone knows Telugu, right? Can I use Telugu sometime or in between our conversation? Or should I continue with English only? English or Telugu? Samata Sri, don't call me sir. Call me Siddharth. Guys, Siddharth or Sid, I'd prefer. Okay, Prakash. Okay, thank you. Okay, we can't find those extensions after we download it. Bindu, you can't find those extensions. You can manage it over here. Like click on this extensions button in the VS Code left side of it. You can manage it, all the extensions. Installed extensions will be there. So without any late, let me start. Guys, I think you know about the comments. Comments are those lines which the compiler or the interpreter gonna ignore those lines. It the computer or the machine won't read the lines, won't compile it, won't convert into the machine learning. Sorry, machine understanding language. So I'm gonna use comments over here. This is the comment. So guys, HTML. In HTML, we use one word called tags. What do you mean by tags? How many types of tags are there in HTML? Do you know any idea about it? about tags. Two tags, Rija. Okay. Abhinay, yes, we will provide the recording sessions of this class. I guess so. I'm not sure about it, but we will provide 50% sure. Start tag and end tag. Okay, Srija. That's great, Srija. Guys, I want you to respond. How many types of tags are there in HTML? Not the tags. Like kind of, for example, this is a tag, not anchor tags. Sneja, Sneja Patil. For example, this is a tag, an empty tag in HTML. Like this, how many tags are there? And this is also a tag, an empty close tag. Okay, guys, there are you are 90% correct, guys, and I congratulate Srija for responding for first before you fellow mates have responded. There are three tags in HTML. పండు నీ ఫోన్ ఇక్కడనే పెట్టెళ్ళు Hello guys, are you there? Hello guys, can you hear me? Vignesh, Laya, can you confirm it again? Are you guys able to hear me? Okay. Sorry guys, just had a power issue from my side. I hope it won't repeat again. Yeah, thank you Charan for confirming. So guys, there are three tags in HTML. First one is normal, this one, opening tag. Second one is close close tag. Any guess about what would be the third tag? Have you ever heard about image tag? For image, we're gonna close like this. What is this? It is auto close tag, and no need to, its specialty is no need of writing two tags, open and close tag. One tag is enough for this element. Getting my point, guys? So, guys, previously I have mentioned like just as hashtag include studio.h int main in C. This is the boiler code in HTML. What if I write h1 tag hello? I will explain what is h1 and what is body and head and HTML tags are. Just be patient. Let me run this file. To run this file, we need to open file. That's it. Click on the file. This is our output, guys. Are you with me? Just hit a thumbs up in the chat box. Yes, yes. Great, guys. So don't Google this question, guys. Don't Google it. Let me give a question for you. What if I write like this? Hello. The same hello I have mentioned previously, without any boilerplate. What would be the output? Guess it. Karthik, what exactly you want me to repeat? I will repeat it again. This is one way of executing HTML files. You just have to open it from the file manager, click on it, automatically it will open in your browser. And other way is click on extensions, download live share extension. Just click on install button. That's it. And open the HTML file in your code editor. Here you will be seeing this go live option. Just click on it. That's it. Same output gonna produce here also. Rahmat, Shiva. Okay, I've already opened it because of Karthik. Okay, this is the output. This is the output without boilerplate. This is the output with boilerplate. Tell me what is the difference between both outputs? Rahmat, Shiva, Prakash, you guys are active. That's that's good to hear. That's good to see, guys. Same output, Santosh Kumar. That's great. Uh, have you observed this document? We are getting here document, and we are getting something 127.0 IP address kind of thing, and slash index.html. Why? This is because of title tag. In our previous output, in our title tag, there is this inside the title tag, this content is there, which is of document. So that's why we are getting document. Let me recompile our with suppose SDC day one and save it. Let me open the file, refresh it. SDC day one. We are getting here. That's a one of the difference. And also, let me write it again. This is a hello without boilerplate. This is the hello with boilerplate. As you can see, hello with boilerplate. There is hello with boilerplate. There is some space above the content. Here there is no content. It starts from the beginning of the page itself. This spacing and this content spacing we're gonna discuss about in the about this in the boilerplate. Sorry, about this in the CSS session in the box model. You will perfect in. You will be perfect in it, guys. I'll promise you. So we are running out of time. Let me give an intro to the HTML. So HTML, this is main HTML tag, and this is doc type HTML is for give me a minute. This doc type HTML tag is for defining it is a HTML file. Not only the extension, this tag also indicates the machine that's all the content is encrypted in a file called HTML. This will indicate this will say it for the computer. I'm gonna be the HTML. Use the HTML encoders for to crack our code, to crack my content. That's it. And this is we call it as main HTML tag. Everything we're gonna write inside this HTML tag. And this is head tag. Most of the head tag we're gonna use for SEO. What is SEO? Software in sorry, search engine optimization. My bad, sorry. Search engine optimization. Like for example, there is this called Torch Global website. This is a random website I'm gonna. Hmm. The while you press it Torch Global in the Google, we're gonna get this description and this title. How Google knows it about the description of this website? It is cause it is present in this head tag. We're gonna give it in through this meta tags, and title is from here, Torch Global. This is the title, and through meta tags we're gonna give it from here. We're gonna provide the description for the search engine optimization. That's it. And also head tag we're gonna include CSS external files. Sorry. And what is this H1 tag? H1 is stands for. And before getting about the tags, guys, I hope you have to keep an eye on this Mozilla documentation, MDN documentation. Type MDN HTML in the Google. This Mozilla documentation is the father of HTML documentation. This is developed by Mozilla company, which is also the founder of Firefox. Have you ever have you ever heard about Firefox browser? I guess so. Prakash, how are you typing open close braces and exclamation mark and hyphen at once? Oh, I forgot to mention it. It is a shortcut command in VS Code. Control plus slash. Just click on it. You will get the comment. And to remove, just click again. For example, if you wanna comment this part of code, just select it. Control plus slash. It's gonna comment. To uncomment it, control plus slash. That's it. Prakash Sinha, do you understand? Right, guys. So, what are H1 tags? H1 tags basically are known as heading tags. Let me give an info about this. For example, H1 hello. Let's type with as, or let me present it here only. It is taking too much time. H3, H4, H5, H6. These are the head tags which start from H1 to H6. Let me save it. I saved it. And where's my file? I guess this is it. Let's refresh it. You can see the content. This one is H1, this one is H2, this one is H3. Then what's the difference between normal tag and H1 heading tag? Let's see. For example, let's type hello here without any tag. This is normal content. This is heading content. As you can see the font size, the size of the hello in the heading tag and the boldness of the content in heading tags. The boldness is same for all heading tags, but the difference is the font size gonna be varies. Right. Okay, so far we have seen from H1 to H6. Is there H7 tag? Let us check. Hello. It is already showing H7 is not available in HTML, but let's run it. You can see H7 is not present. It is giving a default text that that I have shown previously here. Default text. That's good. These are the heading tags. Most of the websites we're gonna use it in the top buttons. Like here it is a H1 tag. Here it is H2 or H3 tag. Here it is a H2 tag. For these headings we're gonna use heading tags. And there is one more tag for the content purpose that is known as paragraph tag. And we are supposed to write paragraph like this. No, that's not, guys. It would be hectic to type all this. So HTML provides a simple interface like p tag. Just click on it. P for paragraph. Let's type hello here. This is it. This is the hello. Uh, Let me give a demonstration between the paragraph tag and default tag, which is this hello. There is, if you observe it, both are looking same, but it's actually not, guys. It actually not. There will be slight difference between them. You might identify when you are performing CSS code. There will be a difference in font family, guys. And let me give a demonstrate about image tag. So guys, let me give a brief. I will type like this. Without closing tag, I will type hello. What would be the output? Come on, better quick, guys. What would be the output? Yeah, Prakash, header tags. Header tag is different. Guys, are you with me? Hello is output. Okay. Samata Sri error. Okay. Okay. Let us check. I am refreshing it. It is not showing error, Samata Sri. It is not showing error. Okay. Then what is it showing exactly? Is it default tag? No. Default tag would be starting from like here onwards without spacing. Then what is it? Let us inspect. This is, it is showing under the hello tag only. HTML gonna consider, since we haven't put any hello tags like sorry, any closing h1 tags, the starting from here onwards after the start tag, it will consider every content will be inside the h1 tag. That includes closing tags of these two elements, body and HTML. Let me write, for example, some random content. Let us see what it would show. It would show h1 content to itself. Yeah, Rahmat. And one thing about HTML is we won't get any errors, guys. We won't get any errors in HTML. That's the beauty of the HTML. Even though syntactically or semantically, we are not gonna get any errors in HTML. But instead, we're gonna get bugs. For you'll be getting know the about bugs while you walk through the summer camp. Then let me give a brief introduction about the bug. For example, and guys, before the bugs, let me give an introduction about the inspect. When you click on inspect, for example, I would like to know this text in the I would like to know the source code of the HTML of this web page. I'll just click on inspect. That's it. It's gonna here HTML hypertext markup language. For example, it is the inspect is used to illustrate us about the code present in the HTML of the web page. For example, mm, I would like to know what tag have used here. This content, is it heading tag or paragraph tag? Let's check what is it. It is something called a span tag. Yeah, they have used span. Span is also a type of tag, which I will explain it later. As we are running out of time, we have to cover more fundamentals. Let's take this time. What is this? Yeah, H1, something we have known it. H1 tag. It is used to illustrate us what type of tags. And what is here? Class. What is class? Anyone have idea about the classes in HTML? Is there is there any compulsory to write body in the first body itself? I didn't get you, Prakash. Could you explain it more clear? You can use Telugu if you want to. I didn't get it. And guys, I'm waiting for you, Prakash. Are you there? Okay, we are running out of time, Prakash. Sorry, I couldn't wait for you. There are something called as, guys, if you check here, we are passing some variable and value to the tags. Here content is a variable and its value is something gonna be string. What are these? These are attributes for a tag. For example, let us take image tag. Uh, Before image, let me download an image for you. Instead, I will download my image only. Koigura Siddhartha. Oops, what happened? Siddhartha Koigura. Ah, here am I. I have downloaded it. To get this image into our project directory. Directory is nothing but folder, guys. Throughout this course, I'm going to use the word called directory. Directories and folder are both are the same. To get this image to our directory, that's it. We have to drag and drop. This kind of interface will be provided to the VS Code thanks to Microsoft. We have to keep src for source attribute. And guys, as it suggests, I have mentioned previously about it is a variable and it is a value. And as since I mentioned it as a variable, that that does not mean we are gonna pass any type of variable we want. Like if you would like to pass a Srinidhi variable, no, HTML not gonna accept it, guys. I'm sorry for it. You have to check the documentation. And for the documentation also you have to come Mozilla and search for here image or img tag. That's it. Here we can check src tag. Src is for path. Classes used to access specific elements. That's right, Vignesh. That's right. Sai Kumar, attribute name and attribute value. Exactly, Sai Kumar. H1 tags, what we are writing in VS Code. Yes, Prakash, we have to provide body tag for compulsory to get the better output in HTML, or else we might get hurry output if we miss any tag from the boilerplate. Since it is the let me give a brief understanding about the paths. I'm gonna place it as I have created a images folder and I'm just moving this image to images folder. Now it is there. Image file is there under the images folder. We have to render this image into our HTML tag. How that gonna be is, now guys, currently you are at press uh, where is it, workspace training. HTML, day one. Presently, you are at day one directory. Inside the day one directory, you have this images folder and index.html file. And we have to get the image under the images folder, we have to enter into the images folder. For that command, we have to type images. To get inside the images folder, just click on slash. Now we are inside the images folder. And what is the name of the file? Download.jpeg. If we write download.jpeg, that's it. We got the image from images folder to our main directory. Let me refresh it. Finally, we got it. H1 Siddharth Koigura. That's it. We get it. And guys, here we have seen alt attribute. What is it? Of course, src attribute for path. Then what would be the alt attribute? Here there is a grapefruit slice top and blah 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 thing inside the alt attribute. What would be it? Like my question is, what alt tag లో ఉన్న string ఈ టెక్స్ట్ అంతా ఇమేజ్ ట్యాగ్ ఏం చేసుకుంటది? Let me give let me demonstrate. It is alt tag, right? For example, I have given here Siddharth Koigura, and instead, for example, you have, oh sorry, before demonstrating into alt attribute, by mistakenly uh, I have mistyped this spelling. Instead of download, I have entered onload. Then what would happen? Image not gonna open, because inside the images folder, our HTML file, I mean our browser can't find the onload.jpeg inside the images folder. So it does not render the our image. If we have given spelling correct, that's it. We have got it. Not only file name, if we mistyped the folder name also, we ain't gonna get the image. So spelling mistakes are must and should. That's it. For example, I have given alt attribute. This is Sid Koigura. And here you can see, where is my text? This is Sid Koigura. Shivakumar, Santosh Kumar gives a name under image. Sorry, Prakash, it does not give a name under the image. Shivakumar and Santosh Kumar, you guys are Santosh Kumar, you are wrong. Instead of image, alt is shown. Not, no. It does not work like that. Text to be displayed when image fail to appear. Yes, exactly, exactly, Shivakumar. For example, I have misspelled here. The image not, of course, the image not gonna render into our HTML. Instead, there will be this alternative tag. Alt stands for alternative. For example, if an image is not rendered into our website, that have few specific reasons. First one is path name is incorrect. Second one is, for example, typo errors. And third one is our internet is slow. Internet is too slow to render the image from server. In such scenarios, alt tag will be helpful, that it gonna demonstrate the user what exactly this image contains of. Here the image contains of Siddharth Koigura, the Siddharth Koigura's image. That's it, guys. This is the image tag working. Class tag, class attribute. We're gonna discuss it in CSS. CSS section. So we are running out of time, guys. Let's wind up here and let me give a few tasks about for tomorrow's session. Uh, Before getting into the tasks, I want you guys all to respond. How many have you followed me through entire this coding? నాతో ఎంతమంది కోడింగ్ చేశారు? That's great. Vinay, Miscellaneous, Santosh, Supriya, Shivakumar. That's great, guys. That's great. Samata, Sri, Likita, Prakash, Charan, Vinash. Great, guys. Great, great. And guys, to get maximum out of these codes, uh, to speak in our mother tongue, మీరు కట్టిన పైసల్ని వసూలు చేసుకోవాలని అనుకుంటే టు గెట్ మ్యాక్సిమం అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కోర్స్ మీరు నాతోటి కోడ్ చేయాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో సైమల్టేనియస్లీ సారీ కోడ్ along with me. Meanwhile, you have to keep notes, ask doubts. Even the doubts are very silly and very small doubts. Just never hesitate, guys. You are paying the fee for this bootcamp. You guys have every single right to question a mentor about the code part or any other part regarding this code bootcamp. Just shoot at us those questions. Ask doubts, keep notes, practice. Practice makes man perfect. Consistency. Spend at least 30 minutes per day in coding. No matter what language you're gonna code. This is not applicable for this course. For every course, spend at least 30 minutes per day, every day. Like just as మీరు అందరు స్నాప్లో స్ట్రీక్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తుంటారు కదా, అలానే కోడింగ్లో కూడా స్ట్రీక్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి. 30 minutes per day చేశారంటే ఒక స్ట్రీక్ మెయింటైన్ అవుతుంది అలా. And that's it, guys, from my side. And let me give a task for you. Some of the tasks are you guys have to install live server, and this you guys are able to compile the HTML code using this here go live button. Just as it appears, go live button. You guys are able to execute from this, and also create a simple web page that gives description about yourself. Like just now I did. Here my photo will be there, and కింద నా పేరు అండ్ మీన్ వైల్ అలానే మీ ఫోటో, మీ పేరు, మీ గురించి డిస్కషన్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నా గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఐఎమ్ సిద్ధార్థ్ కొయ్యూరా, ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ యాజ్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ డెవలపర్ ఇంటర్న్ ఇన్ వెబ్ లాంచ్, అలా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఇవ్వండి. అండ్ ఇంకేమైనా పాయింట్స్ కానీ మీ ఫేవరెట్ హాబీస్ అని చెప్పేసి హాబీస్ హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టి దాని కింద ప్లేయింగ్ చెస్ అంటే చెస్ది ఒకటి ఇమేజ్ పెట్టండి. అలా ఇమేజెస్, కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇమేజెస్ అండ్ కంటెంట్ ట్యాగ్స్. ఎక్కడ మీరు H1 ట్యాగ్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలో, ఎక్కడ పారాగ్రాఫ్ ట్యాగ్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలో జాగ్రత్త కేర్ఫుల్గా యూజ్ చేయండి. యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ దట్ గోనా బి యువర్ టాస్క్. Guys, did you get the task? Like, have you understand the task? What you are supposed to do for the before next session? Cool, guys. Cool. That's it. That's great, guys. You guys are so active. That's we as a developer and a mentor want expect from you guys. That's it. Thank you, guys. Shravanti, Shrija, Vinay, Shravan, Manisai. Thank you, guys. Harika. Okay, let me explain it again. Harika, your task is you you have to create a simple website using HTML. And guys, CSS, JavaScript ఏం అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. యూజింగ్ HTML యూజ్ చేసి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక ఇమేజ్ నా ఫోటో పెట్టేసి ఇక్కడ కింద H1 ట్యాగ్స్ పెట్టేసిన మీరు అలా మీ ఫోటో పెట్టేసి లేకపోతే పైన మీ పేరు పెట్టి సిద్ధార్థ్ కొయ్యూరు అని చెప్పేసి అని ఇక్కడ పైన వచ్చి కింద మీ ఇమేజ్ ఫోటో వచ్చి కింద మీ గురించి డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లైక్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ యూ ఆర్ ఐఎమ్ ఏ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్ ఐఎమ్ ఏ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ సిఎస్సి శ్రీనిధి కాలేజ్ అలా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఇచ్చి కింద మీ హాబీస్ కానీ మీకు తెలిసిన లాంగ్వేజ్ అని చెప్పి హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టేసి గూగుల్ నుంచి డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి లాంగ్వేజ్ జావాకు ఒక లోగో ఉంటుంది కదా ఆ లోగోని అటాచ్ చేయండి హెచ్టిఎంఎల్లో అలా హాబీస్ అలా ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మీ ప్రొఫైల్ని మీరు క్రియేట్ చేయండి హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ విత్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్ హారిక అర్థమైందా ఆర్ షుడ్ ఐ రిపీట్ అగైన్ ఎస్ ప్రకాష్ those who understood the task for tomorrow's task, you guys can leave. And thank you for staying. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, guys. Let ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా నెవర్ మెన్షన్ హారిక నెవర్ మెన్షన్ ప్రకాష్ నెవర్ మెన్షన్ శివకుమార్ నెవర్ మెన్షన్ ఇట్ నెవర్ మెన్షన్ miscellaneous. So chalo guys, can't wait to explore more web development fundamentals tomorrow session. Let's have a meet from tomorrow 7:30 p.m. I hope you guys can join. Till then, bye guys. Have a nice day.